Why do some people learn English faster than others? It's not because they are smarter. It's not because they have more time. The secret is simple. They listen more. If you want to speak English, you must first learn to listen. But not just listen with your ears. You must listen with your heart, your mind, and your focus. Have you ever tried to speak English, but the words did not come out? Your mouth was ready, but your brain was empty. That is because you did not listen enough. Listening is the fuel. Without fuel, a car cannot move. Without listening, your English cannot grow. Think about a baby. Before a baby speaks one word, they listen for many months. They hear their parents, they hear sounds, they hear songs. They don't understand everything, but they are listening. Then one day, the baby speaks. Why? Because listening built their power. You must do the same. Listen before you speak. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Even when you only understand 20%, you are still training your brain. Your ears are learning the music of English.